Let's see how to draw eyes from class 6 chapter. Draw a line segment AB equal to 14.5 cm using a ruler. The 0.5 cm gap will be in the center. Remaining length equals to 14.5 minus 0.5 equals to 14 cm. Divide 14 cm equally between the two eyes. Left eye equals to 7 cm, gap equals to 0.5 cm, right eye equals to 7 cm. Now I am naming it as A, B, C and D. Now after drawing this, I am going to divide the AC and DP into two equal parts. Again with 3.5 cm on both sides, naming it as E and F. With E as center, with the protector, I am going to draw a perpendicular line. Same way with F as center, I am going to draw a perpendicular line above and below the line. Now measure EA, that is 3.5 cm on compass and mark an arc on line above and below point E. Same way, mark an arc on line above and below point F. Label as K, L, M and N. Now join point A and K, measure the distance. Now measure distance of AK with the help of compass. Now place the point on L and draw an arc from A to C. Same way, place point on N and draw an arc from D to B. Now do the same on the other side. Now for pupil, place point on center E. Take radius of 1 cm and draw an circle. Repeat the same on the other side. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and suggest your comment below.